all of you. We are reading the chapter solution, and this is the last video of this class. And first of all, we will discuss about experimental measurement of osmotic pressure and determination of molar mass from osmotic pressure, isotonic solution, hypertonic solution, hypotonic solution, and reverse osmosis also. We will discuss all the topic one by one. And first we start from Barkley-Hartley apparatus for the measuring osmotic pressure. We see the picture. Okay. In this method is to apply external pressure on the solution by putting weight on the piston just sufficient to prevent the osmosis of solvent into it. This apparatus consists of a porous pot, and that porous pot contains ferrocyanide deposited, and they act as a semi-permeable membrane, and it is fitted into a bronze cylinder which is fitted a piston and pressure gauge. When water placed in the porous pot tends to pass into the solution through the semi-permeable membrane, with the result that the level in the capillary indicator moves downwards. External pressure is now applied on the piston so that water level in the capillary indicator tube remains constant. This pressure, which is equal to the osmotic pressure, is read from the pressure gauge. Okay, and in this method we can measure the pressure, that is osmotic pressure. और आई थिंक मैं समझता हूँ कि इस मेथड को आपने अच्छे से समझ लिया होगा. इसमें आपका पोरस पॉट लगा हुआ है और उसी के थ्रू जो है आपका वो वाटर पास करता है. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट हम लोग वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ मोलर मास फ्रॉम द ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर. ओके, you know the one top equation, pi equal to CRT. C represents concentration and C equal to N by V. N represents number of moles and V represents volume in liter. Now we put the value of N by V in place of C. Then we will get pi equal to N by V RT. Now we cross multiply pi into V equal to nRT. This equation is called one-top equation for dilute solution. Okay, and you also know N equal to WB divided by MB. That means given mass divided by molar mass. Now we put that value pi equal to WB RT into VMB, and finally we will get molar mass of the solute, that is MB. MB equal to WB into RT divided by V into pi, and then molar mass of the solute MB can be calculated.